Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Captain Radar. I know, it's been a while. I don't know how to say this, so I'm just gonna say it. Me and my mom were walking around Best Buy and she made me do a purchase. So let's dive into it and get it somewhat initially set up without you seeing any personal stuff. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So pay no attention to that. So here's the front of the box. It's the 16-inch MacBook Pro from this year. Yeah, so here's the front. Legendary Apple whatever. The back saying the specs. Got the 16-inch, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, because you gotta love the whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So let's get into it. And that was not satisfying. Just pull that tab. This is my first brand new Mac since I think 2014. Yeah. No. Yeah, since 2014. So, yeah, you can see this, right? Yeah, you can sort of see it. That's fine. Yeah. It's heavy. Oh, wow. So it's there now. Huh. I know, I'm still in shock. Let's just leave it with that. Let's put, oh wow, that's really heavy. Let's put that to the side. So we now have, oh, now I know why I wanted this one more. Because it has MagSafe again. Oh. I know. It's the greatest unboxing video ever. You're gonna watch me literally unbox this. It has MagSafe. Y'all with your USB-C stuff can go find a high ground to do whatever. But it has MagSafe again. This connector. So when my computer... Right, yep, there we go. So I don't rip my computer off the ground. Let's look at that in a sec. What brick is it now? Oh, yeah, it's a charging brick, whatever. 140 watts. This is 140 watts now. Oh, I got mine. I'm not... Where's my old MacBooks? There's my 2013 MacBook. What's the wattage on... This is a... Because this is my old one is a MagSafe 2 from 2013. I know. You can clearly see the age. This is 85 watts. Wow. They went to 140 watts now. What are they doing with these things? Really? What are they doing to these things that you need 140 watts for your charger now? Oh yeah, and then you got, I know. Because I still just can't believe that I purchased this. So you have no Apple stickers? Just the warranty information, blah, blah, blah. Telling you how to turn it on, what you have, Thunderbolt 4. Ooh, I forgot this is Thunderbolt 4. Oh, here they are. What color are they in? Oh, ooh. You get black Apple stickers. Yeah, I have no monitor over here to show you guys, so I'll find out in post on how exactly this all looks. Yeah, you know what the inside of an Apple box looks like. I don't need to explain it, at least that well. Now let's get to this. You know what they don't have anymore that I just realized? They don't have the user agreement that used to keep this closed. They, I know that sounds really stupid. What I mean is, when you used to buy a MacBook, you used to get like a sleeve, not a sleeve, like a piece of whatever, like a piece of paper right up here saying, hey, this is Apple property, it's yours, but don't break it, don't do anything illegal with it. It was like a user agreement that was actually there. And whenever you opened this, that's when you broke the seal. Now it seems like nowadays they got rid of that, which is interesting. So, yeah, I don't know. I just found that very interesting. So here's the one of the sides. I don't know what side it is. You got MagSafe, two USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, the beloved headphone jack. All right, you can see this. Oh, my camera stopped. Oh, nope. There it goes. It took a while. I guess I'll edit some of this out. Yeah, the beloved headphone jack, the exhaust on the back, this side HDMI, which is outstanding, another USB Thunderbolt port, SD card, bottom of the computer, saying what it is, the feet. And now let's open it up for the first time. Ooh. Oh, this is oh yeah, I forgot. The new ones are instant on now too. So you're gonna get my first boot with me. Aren't you all lucky? Wow, that was actually pretty fast. Wow. Yep, I want English because that's what I speak. I speak the English. I don't live in Afghan. There we go, US. Oh, I gotta turn tap to click on Vision. No, I don't need voiceover. Yes, I want Zoom turned on because, oh, thank God. Because I'm an old man and I need Zoom. I don't need that. I don't need that. Pointer's fine. That's fine. There's only one true mode. That should be fine. And let me continue. And this is where I'm gonna stop. So let me transition back over to here. Yeah, so this is where I'm actually going to stop for right now. And you'll probably get a second video out of, well, you'll get multiple videos out of this because I'll probably edit the video that you're watching on that MacBook so I can get a real test on it. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned because we don't know what's going to happen in the future. Bye for now.